Environmental problems of karst stream. Karst stream flows through the city of Kars and is important for nature and people. However, it has environmental problems caused by human activities and climate change. One problem is wastewater pollution, which reduces water quality and harms fish. Another problem is garbage like plastic and bottles that enter the stream. Farming activities also cause pollution because fertilizers and chemicals mix with the water. In addition, animal waste increases bacteria levels. Climate change reduces water levels and creates stress for the ecosystem. Solutions are wastewater should be cleaned before entering the stream. Trees and green areas near the river can reduce pollution too. Farmers should use less fertilizer and follow the methods. Garbage bins and cleaning activities can keep the area clean. Water quality should also be checked regularly. And in conclusion, karst stream is very important. With simple actions and cooperation, it can become cleaner and healthier in the future.